Come on everyone, just picked Daniel up. Welcome back to YouTube and all. We're off to sunny Bradford for first round of the Winter XC series with Edge Off-Road. Well, I got it off in one. Feeling very ill, got the lurgy, the winter lurgy, as we transfer
into winter.
Into winter, yeah. Just got me and Daniel 2 sausage bats. We're on the way. We've got a bike, spent about an hour on it last night. Fiddling with it, touching it, prepping it, doing bits. It's only 2 hours so far. It's a nice 2 hours. Early finish on a Sunday. Get home and see the family.
Look at that view. Everyone's got to see the view.
Bloody lovely view, Daniel. Anyway, we'll catch up with you at the race. Oh, we're tired. Oh,
Farmers. What's the difference?
I don't know what the difference is.
I don't know what the difference. One spits at you.
One spits. Oh, it's cold, ladies and gentlemen. Just come to see the start because we didn't come here yesterday. We was too busy working.
And you didn't realise you were doing this race too.
And I didn't realise I was coming here till 8 o'clock this morning. I was very undecisive because I feel like shit. But it's only a 2 hour race so far, may as well. It's 85, Ripper. Come on, Dan, I need a shit. Dan, don't watch what I'm about to do. Don't have a sharp Stanley blade.
Where's the head? Watch your fingers, always cut away from you.
Out there. It's cold. Definitely, what's that? That's going to annoy me, that. Winter series, ladies and gentlemen, the first one of the year. First winter race. We've got on the most extreme bike ever. Got a Part 1 Michelin Extreme one.
On a fast race?
For a fast race. It's got a 120 drilled moose in. But, don't matter, does it? We're just here for the fun of it.
Yeah,
for the solemnly fun. My gearing is 1251.
So what's that for?
Understands that is like the most extreme gearing you could run.
Not fast gearing?
Not fast gearing, no.
Gearing for acceleration?
Gearing for acceleration. Should be right off the line, but I reckon we've got 5th gear flat out around here. Don't even have to change on corners.
Last minute tweaks.
Right, we're coming in. Okay, go on. Come and look at this tyre. Donks Racing this is, by the way, ladies and gentlemen. Best kits in the world.
That's a good side.
Oh my god.
I have an extreme tyre on as well, mate. You'll be racing.
where Steve is if he's third or fourth then. Go on, Steve! First and second just came through then. See where Steve's at. Come on, Steve, you're a minute behind. Come on. Go on. Walk most of the track now. Well, obviously we missed bits, but just looking back on ourselves now. Tyre?
Yeah, it's just like, only 2 years.
Yeah. So
you can obviously tell by the voice that I'm absolutely dying in Tyre. It's like snotting all the way around the course.
oh, you angry man!
Coming out the wood, it was like a jump and then it was like a bit rocky, but there was 3 ruts. Yeah. And I jumped out of it and it just cross rut. So that was an absolutely sick race. I can't even hear myself. My ears need popping. I feel unwell. I probably shouldn't have done it, but overall it was a sick race and I had mega fun on my bike. It was very tight, so there was it was hard to pass everyone. You just had to get your bit of a man voice on, saying, "Come on, pal, get out of my way."
Some people were angry.
Some people got angry with a lot of people, but I mean, I think in tight races like that, if you're actually leading and battling for top 3 positions, then you just got to bear with. So if I did slightly push you out the way, or you just didn't move and I just got past, then I do apologise, because I'm not a nasty person. It's just racing. I had no goggles on, you were spraying me with mud. So there's the apology done anyway. I did apologise to the person that I did pass, so I don't feel so bad anymore. But on a better note, after race GR eggs, you know the score. Good. Got a nice sausage, bean and cheese, Capri Sun, Mexican, char grill, chicken, and a vanilla latte. What would you got different? Tell me. So we're going to drive home now, wash a bit of the bike. Do you know these USWE bags that we sell on our website, Dan?
Yeah.
Best things ever. You have your money in it, for your change, your notepad, for work. Got this notepad off Olympus Pro actually. Look at this.
Look at that. That fits in there.
That fits in this bag. It's got sunglasses in it. It's got everything in it. It's a bag like Narnia.
What's that? I can see something in the bottom of there. What is it?
A Mackey's token. Don't even eat Mackey. But other than that, absolutely sick race. Edge Off-Road Winter Series is going to be sick all year. That venue was just mint. There was plenty of technical sections that I really enjoyed. I think a lot of people were stuck on them, but it made for a really good race. But other than that, if you've not seen what's new on the website, I'd go and have a look, because there's a few new things on there. Also, the Rusty Zipper big long coats for the winter. It is winter now, and they're on offer on the website at £90, so I'd go and check that out. Dan will put a link in the description. And I'll see you when I'm washing my bike, something like that. I'll see you in a minute.